Let's let the magic happen. There we go. Just flow. You know, that's how magic is. You just gotta let it flow. Strike. It's gotta hit. You gotta hit the strike. Flow the magic. All right, what's going on? Pirate told me to do whatever I wanted to this hood. But this hood is not drilled for hood pins. It's got a very wonky hole cut in it. It's also, oh my God. Still got all the bracing and everything in it, except for where they cut the hole, of course. You know, it's still got all this. So, Trojan's horse. Trojan's hood is already, you know, lightened. The caveman term for that is gutted. It's just people are jealous. It's already lightened, already got the hood pin holes in it and everything. All it really needs is just a little hole or a square, you know, to either run the Lexan if I want to run the Plexi with the hood on it, or just enough where I can have an air cleaner, you know, put an air cleaner out of it, much like I do with the failed TD driving it around. So rather than go through all the work of doing this and it's still got this weird hole in it and everything, it just, you know, I'd rather just go ahead and cut Trojans. I mean, we're not going back. It's not like it's, you know, it's not like it'll just ever be a flat hooded car again. It'll either have a scoop, something coming out of the hood, something bolted to the hood, you know, so it ain't no big deal. It's not like it's a mint condition hood. It's already been jacked up, so the whole car's jacked up. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. I gotta put the street tires and stuff back on because we're gonna take it home sometime this week before we go to the track, because we are going to the track. It's going to be awesome. I'm super excited. You know, a lot of times I'm not super excited. But I'm excited. I'm getting excited to go. I'm ready. So the weather's going to be good. So yeah, there's some other stuff that we're going to maybe look at doing. Like I said, the hatch, and you know, I can't really help myself when I start looking at all the metal that can be cut out of the front of this car. I will say this much: we're not taking the carpet out in the door pan. We're going to leave the interior the way it is. We're not going to do that. McNugget, we got McNugget, you know, that's what he's for and stuff. We're just going to leave Trojan horse interior wise the way it is now. We're not going to do anything with it. Just leave it the way it is. It's fine. We don't need to do that. But the front, you know, we can get rid of a few poundage here and there, a little bit of cheddar. So anyway, let me get to work. There's some other stuff I was gonna do. Anyway, whatever. See you guys in the next clip. What a kid. Get to work. All right, that is a little bit of work for not a lot of reward, but we, you know, got a little weight out of Trojan, so, you know, it is what it is. We'll get the other side tomorrow or whatever. I forgot Teresa was off today, so we got to go home and play husband, which I got no problem with that. So we'll get back after it tomorrow. Hey guys, we got something in the mail. I have no idea what this is. It is in a big box, I know that much, but I do not know what it is. Chris sent this to us, a subscriber, said it would be a surprise. I had a lot of fun at the track, but more importantly, I needed a good day at the track to really help kind of get the motivation going again, because we have struggled mightily this year. So we had a good day, and that really kind of helped out, because I was thinking today I need to do this, need to do that, and I was like kind of excited to work on stuff. So we also did a little bit of work while the video was uploading that we didn't film. So Teresa very upset because she helped me and didn't get to, you know, I didn't film it, so she's very upset. So maybe I'll let her tell you how upset she was. She wasn't very upset. She's just like, so anyway, let's open this box up. I want to see what this is. I have no idea. What in the world is this? Oh, there's a letter. installed. Soon expected. As such, I will no longer need this seatbelt harness bar. Sorry it's dirty, as it's been on my garage floor for over a year. Not sure you'll like it, as I'm seeing any of your cars. However, you're the only person I know with a Fox platform car. Have fun, enjoy your day. I have most of the dirt removed from the Thunderbird. Chris. Okay, so I guess they like, oh, it's like, I guess it's like a harness bar. Huh. Well, that's very cool. Wow. That's pretty fancy. This is a very nice piece of equipment, and I'm fairly certain I can figure out how it bolts in. Huh. That's cool. Maybe we'll put it in the Trojan horse. I could put it in brain, because I don't have harnesses in there yet, and I could just get shoulder mounts. Huh. Well, that's very cool, man. I appreciate that. You don't have to send me stuff, guys. You can just, you know, you can sell this on Marketplace and put the money in your car. That's awesome. Huh. I had no idea what this was. So anyway, it's very cool. Thanks, Chris. I appreciate it, and I will figure out how it all bolts together, because I'm a smart guy. We took Pro Stock's old wing that's all busted up and everything, and trimmed it, because I'm not having a GT. I'm not having an Aero GT or an Aero LX without a rear spoiler on it. I'm just not having it, because I don't like the way that looks. So we put Pro Stock's old wing, got it kind of bolted in. We're going to put a couple tech screws in it, you know, because it's not, you know, secure. That screaming 94 miles an hour might tear it off. And we still got a drill for the pins. I just did this last night, bolted it on, and Teresa helped. That's what I was getting at. She helped me set it on, and then she helped me set Trojan's old one, just set it up here just to get it out of the way. But we will have that on next time. Like I showed you before, we got the one side cut out. We're going to cut the other side out. This right here was a grand total of 39 pounds. It was this deal right here is 43 and a half, and the old Trojan wing and spoiler and stuff was 82.8 or something like that. So we'll just call it 39 pounds. So anyway, that'll help us out a little bit, get a little weight off this pig, and you know, it is what it is. We got other stuff we got to do though, so let me start getting to work a little bit, try and get a little bit done. So tell them
that I was upset that I helped you lift something very heavy and you didn't film it, and I could have got tetanus.
Well, there you go. Boom, you did it. Let's see what our work got us. Give it a second. 12.5 pounds. Yay. We got something else in the mailbox too. I know you guys just love seeing me open stuff. I know basically what this is. I did not expect it to be in such a large envelope. This is from Dawn. Oh wow. They even sent us a little sticker. I have to give that to Lauren. She would probably like, oh, it's a sticker? Yes, a sticker. And then thing. And let's see what we got. Should be, there it is. We got a sticker in here somewhere. Yeah. Bunch of little ones. Smoky Tussin, the best damn substandard garage in town. We got enough to where we can put it. We can put a couple on the cars. You know, discreetly place them. That's from Dawn. Dawn, I appreciate it. Man, they sent a whole envelope for this deal. I appreciate that. I will probably stick one on the cabinet, especially since it's small, it'll go right where I want it to. And then probably maybe put these somewhere on the dashes. I'll put one on Trojan for sure. So I appreciate it. That's cool. So let me put one on right here, right now. So, all right, we'll see you guys in the next clip. Don, thanks. All right, that's gonna wrap this video up. I know it's a short one and maybe a sweet one, and just it is what it is. We have got a lot of stuff going on, and we got to get the motor out of this. I need to clean the shop up a bunch. We're gonna pull the motor out of this, and then the next step for Trojan will be we're gonna take the K-member and all the front suspension stuff, and we're gonna put it in Trojan. I know people like Pro Stock, and I like Pro Stock too. We're just, you know, I've only got so many engines, and I've only got so much money. And Trojan has always been the more important, I don't say always, but it is the more important car in the grand scheme of things than this car is. I don't have intentions of getting rid of this car. I just don't have really the finances to keep it going. I have to make choices, and Trojan is more important than this one, more or less. It's just the way it is. In my head, it's more important than this one. I've always liked this car. Not always, but I've liked it more in the last couple years. And it has been an experimental car as far as like doing certain things and stuff like that. And again, I don't plan on getting rid of it, but I just can't fix it, and Trojan will just have to stay stagnant, and it's just the way it is. So like anything else, like what Krusty did, Krusty gave up parts to make McNugget better, because I never intended to get McNugget back, so it just takes the place. Pro Stock, you know, it's given up stuff to make Trojan better. So we're going to pull the motor, and then we're going to use some of the stuff off of it, and then we're going to use the camshaft out of it, and we took the heads off already. We're going to use the front suspension. That's not to say it'll never be back. We just, you know, at some point when if we have more money and we get motivated, some of these cars that we'll try and put back on the road with different ideas or whatever else, or as other cars get different stuff, it trickles back to this car. I don't know. So anyway, that's what we're doing. But thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. Once again, we saw it in action, and we'll we got to keep on keeping on. So we got more stuff coming. You'll see that, and I'll try and do more work and less talk. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the way you guys, all the ways you guys support the channel. Couldn't do it without you. Would want to, especially. Thanks for watching. Until next time on Substandard Leader, Fox Body Videos, disassembler of Foxes. 1 year only Lincolns, 4 drag vans. As always, fight the good fight against Dr. Fear. We'll see you guys next vid.